Welcome to the Matrix Packaging Execution System. The Matrix system is much more than just label software. Although we do print to printer applicators and desktop printers of all makes and models, we also print to packaging coders such as laser coders and inkjet coders to drive all devices on your shop floor. To offer a total solution, our system also integrates to verification devices such as scanners, vision systems, scales, programmable logic controls or PLCs, and input-output devices or IOs. These input and output controls allow us to create configurable, trigger-based events for powerful business process and workflow enforcement. Now, let's compare the usual manual-based systems used in most plants to this simple yet powerful matrix system. In a manual system, the operator selects a label format, data, and printer to print labels to. Then they manually select formats and enter lot and date code information, which is critical to traceability and recall, into packaging coders for inkjet and laser etching systems. Each of these manual processes result in longer changeover times and high risk for coding errors, which often result in rework and the potential failure of traceability confidence. Here we see an operator manually enter the data into an inkjet coder for the lot and expiration dates. They often read this data off of pre-printed order sheets or look them up using a matrix of day of weeks and months. If this data is entered incorrectly, it will not match the data used for recall purposes. The same data must be entered into every inkjet and laser coder for every order. Often, there are different makes and models. The matrix system eliminates these manual steps and prints the data to all coders directly from data imported from other systems, such as SAP, or from our database, which is managed by quality or operations managers. The matrix system is powerful and configurable, yet its greatest asset is the simplicity of the user interface. Using prompt and response logic, we enforce the workflow and ensure the operators always follow the same steps every time they print. Device names and settings are stored in our database, so devices such as printers may be hot swapped by simply scanning an asset barcode. Here, the operator is using the matrix system to log into a wireless handheld terminal, scan a few barcodes on an order sheet, and start printing to the printer applicator for case labels and the inkjet and laser coder for packaging codes. The exact same logic may be used for tabletop printing of groups of labels as well. Built-in business logic, such as catch weight and fixed weight printing based on scale inputs, as well as verification and association of cases to pallets using unique serialization, are all part of our standard system. Here, cases crossing the scale print case labels with a unique serial number and a weight on each case. The cases are scanned to verify the label printed, then added to the pallet, automatically printing a pallet label when the pallet is full, or partial pallets when the operator presses a button on the handheld. This data may be automatically exported to one or more systems, such as warehouse management, ERP, and cost accounting systems, using our configurable data export tools. In this video, beverage cases are scanned to associate them to pallets and print pallet labels, while creating valuable transshipment information key to the beverage industry. Our standard ability to use printers, scanners, and PLCs allows us to provide a truly automated pallet labeling system, which may even be unattended. Instead of just printing and applying pallet labels, our system interfaces to PLCs to provide controls and scanning to confirm accurate data and verification that labels printed and applied properly. Our scan to inventory logic increases inventory accuracy, where most systems increment inventory whenever they think a label has been printed and applied, whether it was or not. Thank you for taking the time to consider the matrix system. This introductory presentation is just a small offering of what our system is capable of. For more information, please contact us.